outside of the central bank jargon, I guess in plain English, as the economy improves, to keep the accommodation constant, you have to kind of move up with the economy. Is that about as clear as Mario Draghi can get, that maybe we're in for a move later this year?
There are clearer ways of putting it, yes. I mean, the basic message here from that section of the speech, and that's important, which I'll come to in a moment, is that if inflation rates are rising, which the ECB obviously hopes it will do, then you can allow market rates to rise and without causing real rates to rise. Therefore, you maintain the current level of accommodation in monetary policy. Now, why it's important that that was one section of the speech is that he also said we need persistence and we need prudence in dealing with stimulus and the potential withdrawal of stimulus. The markets looked at one particular phrase, which was the idea that the ECB may be on the verge of announcing a paring back of bond purchases. It's something akin to the taper tantrum we saw with the Fed in 2013. That may not be entirely what the ECB intended.
Yeah, Paul, I just wonder, I've read all the research from various different banks on Wall Street, over in the city as well, and they focused on those two words as well, the prudence and the persistence, and that not much has changed, but it's the new information, it's the new line that seems to be moving the market. How is this playing out over in Sintra, Portugal?
Yeah.
Are the ECB trying to walk this back in any way, shape or form after they've seen the fallout in the market?
It's a topic of discussion, I can assure you of that. The Vice President Vitor Constancio said this morning that markets are sometimes hard to understand. I don't think anyone would disagree with that. But his message was that really the statement by Mario Draghi was exactly the same as he said in his press conference after the last policy meeting on June the 8th in Tallinn. So in his view, nothing has changed. But he's one of 6 executive board members, one of 25 governing council members. There is clearly new fodder in the remarks from Mario Draghi for everyone to have a bite at.